Healthy snacking is more than just a trend. It's a way to nourish your body while satisfying cravings. When you choose nutritious snacks, you provide your body with essential vitamins and minerals that enhance overall well-being. One great benefit of healthy snacking is improved energy levels. Instead of reaching for sugary snacks that lead to energy crashes, opt for snacks rich in protein and fiber, like Greek yogurt with berries or a handful of nuts. These options sustain your energy throughout the day. Additionally, healthy snacks can aid in weight management. Incorporating snacks like carrot sticks with hummus or whole grain crackers can help control hunger and prevent overeating at mealtimes. These choices are low in calories but high in nutrients. Another advantage is that healthy snacking supports cognitive function. Foods such as dark chocolate, which is packed with antioxidants, or avocado toast provide brain-boosting benefits that can enhance focus and productivity. Lastly, healthy snacking encourages mindful eating. By preparing simple recipes like energy balls made from oats and nut butter, you develop a deeper connection with your food, improving overall eating habits. Choose nourishing options and transform your snacking experience.